Snow is something that falls from the sky in cold weather. It looks like soft, white flakes and covers the ground, trees, and buildings. People often say that snow looks like tiny pieces of cotton falling from the sky. When it snows, everything outside becomes very quiet and peaceful. The world seems to slow down, and there's a special feeling of calmness in the air. Snow is fun to play with. You can make snowballs by rolling up the snow with your hands and then throw them at each other in a game. You can also build snowmen by piling up snow into 3 big balls and decorating them with sticks for arms, a carrot for a nose, and stones for eyes and a mouth. Some animals, like polar bears and penguins, love snow because they are adapted to living in cold places. They have thick fur or blubber to keep them warm and can play in the snow without getting cold. However, while snow can be beautiful and fun, it can also make things difficult. When there's a lot of snow, it can be hard to walk or drive because the ground gets slippery. People use shovels or snowplows to clear the snow from sidewalks and roads so that everyone can move around safely. In places where it snows a lot, like in the mountains or in colder countries, people often go skiing or snowboarding. These are sports where you slide down a snowy slope on skis or a snowboard, and it's a lot of fun. Overall, snow is a magical part of winter that brings joy and excitement to many people, especially children who love playing in the snow and making snow angels or forts.